Shwmai a chroeso I ddril mynediad 1, uned 7. Shwmai and welcome to the entry level 1 unit 7 drill. Please look over your vocabulary for the unit before you start the drill, and as per usual, please don't look over your course books as we are going through the drill, as it is more important that you concentrate on what you are saying. Today, we're going to be asking and answering questions about other people. Felly, so, bant â ni, away we go. So in Unit 1, you've already learned how to introduce yourself in the first person. So we'll just go over that once again. So if your name was Sean and you were introducing yourself, you would say, Sean dwi. Sean dwi. Sean dwi. I am Sean. Da iawn. Sean dwi. Da iawn. So if you wanted to say he is Sean in the third person, he is Sean, you would say Sean yw e. Sean yw e. Sean yw e. He is Sean. Da iawn. Sean yw e. Da iawn. Beth yw, what is the word for a tutor in Welsh? Tutor. Tutor. So if you wanted to say he is a tutor, tutor yw e. Tutor yw e. Tutor yw e. He is a tutor. Da iawn. Tutor yw e. Gwych. Da iawn. So moving on, if you'd like to ask who is he? Who is he? Pwy yw e? Pwy yw e? Pwy yw e? Who is he? Pwy yw e? If you wanted to ask what is he, if you were asking what somebody does or what their job is, you would ask beth yw e? Beth yw e? Beth yw e? What is he? Beth yw e? Da iawn. And if you wanted to ask, is he Sean? Is he Sean? Sean yw e? Sean yw e? Sean yw e? Is he Sean? Sean yw e? Da iawn. Now, moving on to the feminine patterns. If your name was Shan and you were introducing yourself in the first person, you would say, Shan dwi. Shan dwi. Shan dwi. I am Shan. Shan dwi. Da iawn. If you wanted to say she is Shan, she is Shan. Shan yw hi. Shan yw hi. Sian yw hi. She is Sian. Sian yw hi. Da iawn. So we've already gone over what the word for a tutor is in Welsh. Tutor. Tutor. So if you wanted to say she is a tutor, tutor yw hi. Tutor yw hi. Tutor yw hi. She is a tutor. Tutor yw hi. Da iawn. Next, we're going to be asking, who is she? Who is she? Pwy yw hi? Pwy yw hi? Pwy yw hi? Pwy yw hi? Who is she? Pwy yw hi? Da iawn. If you wanted to ask, what is she? What is she? Again, if you were asking about somebody's job or role, beth yw hi? Beth yw hi? Beth yw hi? What is she? Beth yw hi? Da iawn. And if you wanted to use the name, the noun, you would say Sian yw hi. Sian yw hi? Sian yw hi? Is she Sian? Sian yw hi? Gwych. Da iawn. So these questions that begin with a noun or a name, Siôn yw e, Sian yw hi, we are introduced with another yes, a new yes and a new no. So when sentences begin with a noun or a name and the answer is yes, we say ie. 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 Yes? Ie. And if your answer is no, nage. 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 No. Nage. Da iawn. Nage. Da iawn. Next, we're going to be asking in the third person, is she or is he? For example, is she singing or does she sing? For example. Beth yw, what is the word in Welsh for to sing? Canu. Canu. Ydy hi'n canu? Ydy hi'n canu? Ydy hi'n canu? Is she singing or does she sing? Da iawn. Ydy hi'n canu? Da iawn. Beth yw, what what is the word for to act in Welsh? Actio, actio. Ydy hi'n actio? Ydy hi'n actio? Ydy hi'n actio? Is she acting? Does she act? Ydy hi'n actio? Da iawn. Next, we're going to be asking, is he or does he? Beth yw, what is to play golf in Welsh? Chwarae golf, chwarae golf. Ydy e'n chwarae golf? Ydy e'n chwarae golf? Ydy e'n chwarae golf? Is he playing golf? Does he play golf? Ydy e'n chwarae golf? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is the word for to work in Welsh? To work. Gweithio. Da iawn, gweithio. Ydy e'n gweithio? Ydy e'n gweithio? Ydy e'n gweithio? Is he working? Does he work? Ydy e'n gweithio? Da iawn. And the yes for yes, she does, or yes, she is, or yes, he is, or yes, he does, is ydy. 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 Yes. Ydy. Da iawn. And the no is nac ydy. Nac ydy. Nac ydy. No. Nac ydy. Da iawn. Next, we're going to be asking, are they? Are they? Beth yw, what is the word for busy in Welsh? Prysur. Prysur. Ydyn nhw'n brysur? Ydyn nhw'n brysur? Ydyn nhw'n brysur? Are they busy? Ydyn nhw'n brysur? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is the word for miserable in Welsh? Diflas. Diflas. Ydyn nhw'n ddiflas? Ydyn nhw'n ddiflas? Ydyn nhw'n ddiflas? Are they miserable? Ydyn nhw'n ddiflas? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is the word for to know in Welsh? Gwybod. Gwybod. Ydyn nhw'n gwybod? Ydyn nhw'n gwybod? Ydyn nhw yn gwybod? Do they know? Ydyn nhw yn gwybod? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is the word for to leave in Welsh? Gadael. Gadael. Ydyn nhw'n gadael? Ydyn nhw'n gadael? Ydyn nhw'n gadael? Are they leaving? Ydyn nhw'n gadael? Da iawn. And the yes, yes they are. Ydyn. 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 Yes, yes they are. Ydyn. And the no, no they aren't. Nac ydyn. Nac ydyn. Nac ydyn. No, no they aren't. Nac ydyn. Da iawn, nac ydyn. Next, we're going to be moving on and speaking negatively about things, saying that the wine isn't good, for example. Beth yw, what is the word for wine in Welsh? Gwin. Gwin. Dyw'r gwin ddim yn dda? Dyw'r gwin ddim yn dda? Dyw'r gwin ddim yn dda? The wine isn't good. Dyw'r gwin ddim yn dda? Beth yw, what is the word for food in Welsh? Bwyd. Da iawn, bwyd. Dyw'r bwyd ddim yn ddrud? Dyw'r bwyd ddim yn ddrud? Dyw'r bwyd ddim yn ddrud? The food isn't expensive. Dyw'r bwyd ddim yn ddrud? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is the word for staff in Welsh? No difference at all. Staff. Staff. Dyw'r staff ddim yn gyfeillgar? Dyw'r staff ddim yn gyfeillgar? Dyw'r staff ddim yn gyfeillgar? The staff aren't friendly. Dyw'r staff ddim yn gyfeillgar? Da iawn. Beth yw, what is the word for prices in Welsh? Prisiau. Prisiau. Dyw'r prisiau ddim yn rhad? Dyw'r prisiau ddim yn rhad? Dyw'r prisiau ddim yn rhad? The prices aren't cheap. Dyw'r prisiau ddim yn rhad? Da iawn. Nesa, next we're going to say he isn't and she isn't. We already know that the word for happy in Welsh is hapus. Hapus. Dyw e ddim yn hapus. Dyw e ddim yn hapus. Dyw e ddim yn hapus. He is not happy. Dyw e ddim yn hapus. Da iawn. Dyw hi ddim yn hapus. Dyw hi ddim yn hapus. Dyw hi ddim yn hapus. She is not happy. Dyw hi ddim yn hapus. Da iawn. Next, we're going to be practicing the plural, they aren't. Dyn nhw ddim yn hapus. Dyn nhw ddim yn hapus. Dyn nhw ddim yn hapus. They are not happy. Dyn nhw ddim yn hapus. Da iawn. So introduce a new word now. The word for angry in Welsh, angry, is crac. Crac. So these people are happy, so they are not angry. Dyn nhw ddim yn grac. Dyn nhw ddim yn grac. Dyn nhw ddim yn grac. They are not angry. Dyn nhw ddim yn grac. Da iawn. Da iawn. Next, we're going to be asking, how much is it? How much is it? Faint yw e? Faint yw e? Faint yw e? How much is it? Faint yw e? Da iawn. Next, we're going to be asking, how much are they? How much are they? Faint ydyn nhw? Faint ydyn nhw? Faint ydyn nhw? How much are they? Faint ydyn nhw? Gwych, da iawn. What is, beth yw, the word for a pound in Welsh? Pint. Pint. So we're going to be answering the question now and saying, how much are things? This section of the unit is going to be introducing the feminine numbers. So we have feminine numbers in Welsh, but don't worry about it, as your tutor will explain everything in your lesson. So if something is £1 in Welsh, we say un bint. Un bint. Un bint. £1. Un bint. Dwy bint. Dwy bint. 2 bunt. 2 pounds. 2 bunt. Da iawn. 3 punt. 3 punt. 3 punt. 3 punt. 3 pounds. 3 punt. Da iawn. 4 punt. 4 punt. 4 punt. 4 pounds. 4 punt. Da iawn. Da iawn a llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations for finishing the drill for Unit 7, Uned 7, and I'll see you again in the next video. Hwyl fawr!